The digital marketing landscape is evolving quickly, and marketers need up-to-date skills if they want to keep their audience interested. This online digital marketing course from the University of Cape Town offers you a versatile toolkit that you can use to engage customers across platforms. Over 6 weeks, you'll explore website creation, copywriting, and social media marketing. You'll also build an understanding of the role of web analytics, SEO, content marketing, and online advertising in a successful digital marketing strategy. This course is designed for professionals within the digital marketing space who wish to increase their skills and stay abreast of future changes in digital marketing. It's also suitable for students who have no prior experience and would like to learn the basics of digital marketing. Learning online offers you the freedom and flexibility to learn at your own pace. It also allows you to have a global network of both colleagues and professionals to help you in your digital marketing journey. It is important to take a holistic approach to digital marketing, as you can meet the consumers where they are at every touch point within their customer journey. And if you get your digital marketing right, you can reach your bottom line more effectively. I encourage you to come and learn this digital marketing course from the top university in Africa.